Probably say this is close to the start of the Murray and it ends up in Adelaide. Pretty amazing. Old little huts. Murray River. Wineries. Nillakuti Lake. I'll tell you, if it wasn't raining, I'd be out there chasing some trout. And that's the other side. I'm sure that gets skied on in the summer. There's my man over there. Looks a bit better after a bit of rain. It's not covered in crap anymore. Anyway, this is a lake at the bottom of the Sanuye. So this is a town called Yea. And I'm going in this country club hotel for a chicken snitty, of course. Built in 1860-ish. Obviously given a new theme. The stonework down there is original. Spectacular morning at Mount Martha after spending the night with my good friends Pete and Helen. Look how gorgeous the bay looks this morning. Wow. Bit of Sorrento. Oh, this could be interesting. Taking a vehicle ferry across the bay. Rather than driving all the way back to the city. I thought I'd do this for a change. It was like $80. A different way to get to Bells Beach. It is beautiful, isn't it? This part of Melbourne's lovely. You get away from the CBD. Gorgeous. You can see why so many people want this end. It's expensive now though. The bay's little obstructions. That was built for the war. Heads on a good day. A very good day today. So that didn't take long at all. Nearly there. Calling us to our cars to drive them off. I'm back! Barwon Heads, I'm back! There's a boat navigating the bar. Should be interesting, looks like a bit of white water on it. Looks like a birdie. 28.30 or something, 25.30, He's staying up it, around that marker. He's just lining up the next one. Oh no, he's heading across. There's obviously some deep water there. You've got to know the water obviously. Yeah, look at him. He's right up it. Keeping her up out of the water. Not coming anywhere near. Oh no, now he's coming back around. Okay, now he's coming back around to these other markets. Time for lunch. The Barwon Heads Hotel. those views. Cheers. Got to be up there for the best one for the trip. There's been just a little bit like another one of those nice spots. So there's a little bit of swell. Looks like I'll get some waves. So this is just up the Barwon heads. Not bad. Barwon River. Not a bad little spot, I think. Not a bad view at all. So I've got all the artillery on. We're hitting the Barwon River. Didn't take long to set up actually. So that's the town over there in the background. Gorgeous little place. I'm upstream a little. I won't do as much damage. Go, mate. Oh, got me. He got away. Ouch. Today's lures. Impressive